Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classroom. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing the works given by teachers. Dear children, do you know which topic we are going to study? Yes, formation of four digits smallest and largest number. So, let's start with the video.
Forming the smallest and the greatest numbers. Here we have four digits 2, 4, 1, 8. Then to find the smallest number, first we can arrange these numbers in increasing order. Okay, when we arrange the digits in increasing order, then we get 1248. That means the smallest number is 1248. Next we can find the largest number. Okay. So to find the largest or greatest number, arrange the digits in the decreasing order. Then we will get 8421. So we can say that the greatest number is equal to 8421. See children, here we have four digits 2, 7, 3, 8. Then can you say which one will be the smallest number? Okay, to find the smallest number, first we need to arrange these digits in ascending order. So what will be the answer? Yes, smallest number is equal to 2378. Next, you can find the greatest number. How will you find out? To arrange in descending order. Okay, you can arrange in descending order. So we get the greatest number as 8732. See here, 4 digits 5, 2, 0, 9. See children, to find the smallest number, if one of the digits given is 0, it should be placed in the hundred place and not in the thousands place. So, the smallest number is equal to 2059. Next, to find the largest number, if one of the digits is 0, it should be placed in the ones place. So, the largest number or the greatest number is equal to 9520. Here, few more example. First digits 2914. So, the smallest number is equal to 1249 and the greatest number 9421. Next, 3704. So, smallest number will be 3047 and the greatest number will be 7430. Okay children, now I hope you all have enjoyed the video and understood the topic how to form 4-digit smallest and greatest using the given digits. Okay, see children, here I am adding one worksheet. You can download it and copy all the questions into your notebook, and also you can answer the test and send your answers as handing. Clear? Then see you on next section. Take care. Bye.